Thank you, sir. Program na very so I am a well shown coordinator.
The capacity chairman that we have never in the history of Gogo we have experienced before. That the people of Jengbah are sorely behind you. There is nobody in Jengbah that will oppose your nation. You have done so much for the good people of Jengbah. So we are mobilizing everybody in support of the country. So my chairman,
we are here because you have done well for the good people of Jengbah. You have done well for the good people of Benue State. Your Excellency, 7 years plus as governor, you have never had rest for once. And the reason is just because you have your people at heart.
And at no time did I apologize to Atiku that some of my brothers were stealing my cows. I have not said that. He lied against me. And I take exception and I require an apology from him. He's not becoming of a presidential candidate to be telling lies against his people. I did not lie to him that people from Benue State were stealing my cow. Where? Nobody have gone to my farm to steal any cow. And so, I have never also profiled Fulanis as a whole, because it will be a logical fallacy. I'm educated to say that all Fulanis are bad. There are good Fulanis. Some are my friends. I can even allow them access to my bedroom and my house. Some are serving with me here in Benue State. I have never sent any Fulani man away from Benue State. We have lived together. But this Fulani is coming from Niger, from Mali, from Senegal, from Mauritania, from Libya, from Chad and Niger Republic to occupy our land and cause our people to be displaced. And today we have 2 million IDPs in Benue State. It is unacceptable. And we know our enemies. May Allah have come out to accept responsibility that they are responsible, and that until we lead them to integrate into the society and take over from our family. This is what they have said. So if today we had a massacre in Beji, in Ukum local government, where Mr. President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria sent condolences to me, and I want to commend him and appreciate him for saying that he condemns the act of the killings that took place, and the perpetrators must be brought to book. That is how a leader should speak. That is how a leader should speak. And he added that truly we have had disagreement in the past, political lines and on issues, but this matter of human life, he cannot tolerate it. The president sent those condolences to me, and I commend and appreciate him for saying that.